Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 30th of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX for the week ending the 5th of April. So we can see that both the CE and PE have gone up, which is actually a positive since both of them went up. Although an equal move upwards in both is definitely positive. Quantity is higher for CE, which is negative. Change is a lot higher for PE, which in this case is negative. Short squeeze is high for CE, which is positive, and PCR is still extremely overbought, so that's actually a negative. Implied and historical volatility have both gone down, which is positive. RSI has gone up, positive. No divergence, positive. ADX and ATR have gone up and down respectively, which is two positives. Both EMAs went up, which is positive. VWAP, the pivot point, and candlestick are all bullish. So these are all positives. So the new supports are 5,300 and resistance is also 5,300. And both of last week's support and resistance were 5,200 actually. But overall, I say that SPX goes up another week based on this. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.